So hey everybody, this video is going to be my gender reveal with the sneak peek early gender DNA test that I did do on December 21st. That's when it came in, that's when I did the test, and that's when I shipped it back out. Real quick, I just want to show you guys some of the stuff that comes in the kit because I know a lot of people are interested in it. I paid for this with my own money, ordered it off Amazon, just so you guys know. It does come with like some little cute little tattoos for some reason. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's cute. It does come with like detailed instructions, and then they give you like everything you possibly need to do this test. One thing I can say is if you do have men in the house or like little boys or whatever, make sure that you wash your hands and underneath your nails like really good before doing this test, because it could contaminate the results, giving you a false boy result. So that was one thing that I was really paranoid about, because my husband was in the kitchen while I did this, and I did this on the dining room table. It was a clean surface, cleaned it, everything like that. And my son was at school. So this, I can say, was definitely worth the money that I spent on it. I think I spent about 80 bucks for this, which isn't too bad in my opinion, because I know some of the blood DNA tests, they cost like $130 to $200. So this is actually pretty decent for the budget, and it's supposed to be 99% accurate. And if you guys have not watched my 3-week to 12-week update, I will leave a link down below for you guys. It's just me talking about my pregnancy and stuff like that. And again, I will be updating with those types of videos every 4 weeks. So if you missed it, here is a picture as of today, 12 weeks. And I took the sneak peek gender test when I was about, babe, when was it? 2 weeks ago? Yeah. So maybe like around 10 weeks, I did this. And you can test as early as 9 weeks. So the number one thing that I was paranoid about, again, was contaminating my blood with any type of male DNA. So I do have the results. They did come, let me see, let me tell you when that came. Or actually, it took about 2 to 3 days for them to receive my sample. So I'm just going to open my email really quickly to tell you guys when they received it. Okay, so I mailed it on the 21st. That's when they sent it to me, did the test, mailed it right back out the same day, the 21st. And it's probably going to be, let me see, they received my sample on the 27th. So you have to account for the holiday, Christmas, and all of that, because they don't deliver on holidays. So they received my sample. This is what the email looks like. Your sample has arrived at Sneak Peek, and they'll get back to me within 24 hours. And then make sure I check my spam account just in case. And the very next day, I received the email. It says, see, Sneak Peek test, your Sneak Peek results is in. Okay, so when you first open the email, oh, it didn't pop open. But yes, it says that we are expecting a girl, and I'm really hoping it's not wrong. But when you first open the email, the envelope is closed. Like this little envelope right here is closed. So you have to like tap on it, and then it opens, and it says, you know, congratulations, you are having a baby girl. And that's what it says. And again, this was on December 28th. It's now January 2nd. So we will see if that's correct. They also give you a analysis report. So no Y chromosome was basically detected, and it gave me a girl result. So I'm hoping this is right, because we already have a boy, and it would be really nice to have a little mini me running around, and I'm hoping that it's correct. But I will update you guys and confirm these results hopefully in 4 weeks at my 16-week scan, because right here at the 12-week because she has this little cursor right where you would be able to see, like in between the legs, if it has like a little sprout, I'm mad that I can't see it because it's covered up. But I'm gonna, you know, keep my fingers crossed that it's a girl. Even if it's not, I would still be happy, because regardless, I felt when I first got pregnant that it was a boy. So with this saying a girl, we shall see. I am not betting, you know, all my money on the results being correct. However, I don't see them being wrong considering it is a blood test. So just crossing my fingers. If you guys did the sneak peek test, please comment down below if your results were right. And I'll see you guys in my next video.